Everywhere you go, always take the weather.
Good morning, South Jersey. How about them thunderstorms last night? Okay, well, maybe they didn't technically affect all of us. They did, however, put on a decent lightning show, at least in northern Atlantic County. Here's a radar picture from last night. A pretty decent squall moved from northwest to southeast along the Atlantic, Burlington and Ocean County border last night, delivering some very heavy rains. Our weather picture comes from Barnegat from that storm last night. Lots of lightning, our first thunderstorm of the season. Lots of pictures flying around there on social media sites. Yesterday, our high temperature was an amazing 89 degrees, breaking our record from 1922. Today, well, nowhere near that 89. Look at the low, 61 degrees overnight. That's a degree warmer than where we should be for our average high. And I think over the next few days, this is right where we'll be, 60 over 40 degrees, and I will explain why. Today, here is that frontal boundary just snaking along to our north, and it will begin its descent down, and winds will shift to the east gradually later as a backdoor front comes through. I think any organized precipitation stays to our north, at least for today. We will squeeze out a dry and warm first half of your day. Yesterday, I said our high temperature would be about 72 degrees. Around 10 o'clock this morning, 71 was recorded out at the airport at EHT, and I think it's downhill from there. As this front comes through, we will see gradually increasing cloudy skies, and temperatures will be dropping as that wind shifts off of the ocean. Well, tomorrow, that front kind of lifts back up just a little bit as a warm front. We will see periods of heavy rain, and I don't think it's going to be a complete washout, but grab an umbrella nonetheless. And then here is our cold front that will be moving in later in the day into Saturday, and it's well pronounced on our Doppler radar. There it is, extending all the way from the Ohio Valley straight on down to the Gulf of Mexico. Lots of severe weather with this one, but by the time it gets to us, we will not be dealing with snow, no severe weather, just plain old rain. I think today's highs in the afternoon, we will more or less be in the mid-50s, 54 along the shore, 57 on the mainland. A dramatic drop in temperatures of over 30 degrees. It will be cloudy, dry, and cool later this afternoon. Tomorrow, we up it to 67 degrees, about a 10-degree jump. Overcast, breezy, and periods of rain, and we can't rule out some thunderstorms. The southeast wind will shift to the southwest as a low-pressure center approaches the area, 10 to 15 miles an hour. Your South Jersey 5-day forecast. Well, this is right where we are supposed to be. Our average is 60 over 40. The lowest temperature over the next 5 days will be Sunday at 61 degrees. And look at this, 65, 61, 64. And then it looks like we will get another shot of some warm air going into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. I don't think it's going to be anywhere near as warm as almost 90 degrees, but mid-70s is definitely doable. Thanks for logging on to Village Weather Online. I'm NorEasterNick. Have a great day.
Everywhere you go, always take the weather.